Good morning, you're welcome to this morning Watch Outlook. Today is Monday. The reason for this morning Watch Outlook is so that you can know the directional bias of the market. So, the first thing we're going to do to make it easier for anyone watching this video, you change the chart to line chart. You see, yeah, you can also decide to use candlestick. So, for the sake of those who are still learning, so I'm going to mark the eye, the recent eye, that's the previous eye. This is the weekly time frame. So I'm going to mark the previous low. This low here has been broken, so I'm going to mark this one. Yeah. So let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame now. Let's change it to candlestick. Let's change it to candlestick. So I believe you can see it clearly. Let's bring it down here. You can mark from the week. So, like I said before, you can use candlestick for your analysis. You can also use line charts. Line chart only tells you the opening and the closing of the price, while candlestick tells you both the opening and the closing and the high and the low. Do you get it? So this, we are on the daily time frame. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw to know the directional bias trend line. Now, you see, now the market was going up. You get it? And what happened? The market came down, broke the trend line, and started coming down. For me, what? Lower and lower low, lower and lower low. Another thing we're still going to observe again is that in this place there are key levels here. This place now, there's a key level here that has been broken. If we drag it to the key level here that has been broken on the daily time frame. And you know, last week the US dollar was, according to the NFP data that came out, it was weak, and the market started reversing, started going up. So with the current news, you don't just trade the market with technical analysis again alone. You also trade the market with what the economical data that was released. So that's for that. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to check. This was the recent low that was broken. Now the market went up again. So we're going to check if the market have changed direction. So how are we going to determine that, to know if the market have changed direction? We go to the 4 hours time frame. We're in the 4 hours time frame. As you can see, There's a change of character here. This is a break of structure. There's a break of structure here. Let me change this to this. There's a break in support level here. A break of structure. Now the market came down, went up, started consolidating this place. Let me mark it out. Consolidation was here. Consolidation here. There's the liquidity here. Let me mark this place also. This place. There's the liquidity here. And what happened? The market cleared it. And went up and formed what? A change of character. So what are we going to do? We're going to mark that resistance level that was broken. This is the resistance level that was broken. This place. Take it back to the future. You can also put it here on the week, you can put it here also on the candlestick. Depends on you, depends on what you want. I'll put it here. So the candlestick. So let's go to the 2 hours frame. Sorry, 1 hour's time frame. You can see the market had tapped into that resistance level and went up. And the market is consolidating there. So I'm going to take, for me, I'm going to take my buy there. It's whether the market will buy from that place. Because the US dollar for now is weak and there's no news yet. So I'll give my stop loss here. Coming. The page should be here. Nearest key level, you can be here. It can be here. So but I'll put mine here. The market to buy from that place. So yeah. So there's already a change of there was a break of structure here. Now the market came down, could no longer go down now. It formed double bottom here. Look at it. Double bottom here. Well, we can also use trend line here. So you know that the market is currently going up. Look at it. So I would like to bring this stop loss down below this trend line. So because the market is bullish. So that's all. EURUSD. So let's go to gold. Let's see what is happening in gold. So let's go to gold. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the daily time frame. Let me remove these things. What's the directional bias of gold. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to mark out towards the key levels, the previous key levels. This will be the recent high, this will be the recent low that was taken out, as the previous high and the previous low I met. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So let's do some adjustments. You can see the market has taken this recent low, the previous low, and form what, triple bottom here. Look at it, the triple bottom here. There's a change of character here, also changing direction. Some people call it changing market sheet. So I'm gonna mark the recent low. This is a recent low. This is a recent low. This is a recent high I met. Let's mark from the week. If you mark on the week, it will be here. There's another low here. Let's just mark from this place. So this high here. Not this previous high. So I'm gonna buy from this place. Last week, we already know that the gold is buying. I'm gonna put my stop loss here in this line. I might take profit. Oh, gold should be here. So I'm looking to buy from this place. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. See, the market has been forming what? Higher high and higher low. You see it. So we should draw trend line from this low. Going out of forces. The market broke this trend line before came inside and retest, started going up. You know why the market is trying to buy from this place? Because there's another resistance level here. Look at that was broken. So the market is trying to buy from this place. Do you see? So, but I'm using that place as a liquidity. If you go to the 2 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, what do you see? let's buy from that place. I have assurance that the market is going to buy from this place. So let's put our stop loss here. I have that assurance the market is going to buy from this place. From this place, I have the assurance the market bought from this place before and started going up. So I have the assurance the market is going to buy from that place. And our TP should be here. So now the money was look for this morning. And one thing you need to know is it's not all of you that know the reason why I choose to buy from that place. Don't worry, my strategy might seem somehow to you, but I majorly trade with support and resistance level and supply and demand. So that's it for today. If you want me to analyze any other pairs for you, let me know on the comment section. Have a nice profitable day.